Wyatt sent me this video. Very cool video. Brand spanking new soft. This guy to my left here. It's going to be a very interesting conversation between himself and the cops. You'll enjoy this one. Let's go ahead and watch it.
Driving on the road.
Oh yes, but drivers have to be commercially licensed if you're driving. That means
you are driving.
Well, that means you're operating in a commercial capacity.
No, you're driving a vehicle, sir.
Like there's driving and then there's traveling.
There's driving a vehicle.
Just for a bit of background here. This guy's in Florida. I know this video is in 2023, but even then, Florida cops were not taking nonsense, as this guy's going to find out. Very entertaining video. And by the way, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does help us a lot.
May I see your driver's license?
Well, I'm not operating in a commercial capacity. See what I mean? Like
No,
traveling
sir.
is not driving.
Sir, we're not going to do this.
We're not going to do this.
Yes. Do you have a driver's license?
What do you mean we're not going to do this?
I'm asking you to see your driver's license.
Testing the wrong cop. He's in Florida. Not going to work for him.
Well, I'm not operating in a commercial capacity.
You're operating a vehicle, and to drive a vehicle, you are required to have a driver's
license. Vehicle.
Oh, what is this?
This is an automobile.
White 10 K9.
Are you escalating?
No, I'm trying. All I'm asking is for your driver's license.
He's going to be so sad.
Yes. Well, what I'm saying is my license has been lost.
White.
I've lost it. Physical copy.
Okay, so can I have your name so I can look it up?
Sure.
Simple request, right?
I mean, have I broken a law?
You are driving with no, without a seatbelt, sir.
But I mean, is that?
Yes, that is a law. You have, when you're operating a vehicle, you're supposed to have.
Can you be around 2?
You're supposed to have a seatbelt on. You're supposed to drive belted.
You'd think I didn't know that. Which he does, by the way. Which he does.
I mean, I'm not aware that I'm driving. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not aware that I'm driving.
Okay, so can I have your name?
Well, I mean, in order to identify me, you gotta suspect that I've committed a crime.
Sir, you are driving with no seatbelt on. I pulled you over, and I'm not escalating anything. You are the one. This would have been over already.
I see. Well, I gotta make sure that
this would have been over already. You are driving a vehicle, and you are required to have a driver's license to drive a vehicle. This is a vehicle. You're driving it. You say you don't have a license. May I see, can I have your name so I can run your name to see if you have a valid driver's license?
Well, but before you run my name, see.
I already explained to you, I'm not going to explain it anymore.
You have to suspect that I've committed a crime.
You were driving without a seatbelt. Even when I approached the car, you didn't have a seatbelt on.
I would have had this guy out of the vehicle already. I'm just saying. That's why I'm not a cop. Don't have the patience for these idiots. Just don't have the patience.
Okay?
Well, can you prove that I wasn't wearing a seatbelt?
Yes, I saw it.
Can you prove that, though,
I saw it. You have a white shirt.
I had my seatbelt on.
You have a white shirt. The seatbelt is great. And when you passed right in front of me, I saw it and you didn't have it. And you're driving very straight. So it's not like you're leaning back and your seatbelt is low. Okay? So I saw it.
How did you know?
I was facing you when you passed me. So
I was aware that I had my seatbelt on.
You didn't have it.
Central 325 drive reference 2A.
This would have been over already.
What a ridiculous argument, right? What a ridiculous argument.
So I'm asking you, may I have your name so we could finish this? And I could go on my way and you could go on your way. Okay? So
that would be the thing to do.
Do you have a driver's license?
I'm telling you, I lost it all.
Okay, you don't have a registration either.
What do you mean?
For the vehicle.
Like bill of sale and...
No, a registration for your vehicle being registered.
This has just been purchased. I got the bill of sale and everything.
Okay, let me see it.
Well, before I show you this, I mean, you have to prove to me if I ask, to give me a reasonable, articulable suspicion that I committed a crime.
I already told you that you have...
yeah, but you have to show me. Look, here's
no.
I
I saw you. That's good enough. Huh. I saw a violation. I saw an infraction.
I'm asking
Just
you.
advising that the agent
You-
focus on that.
You could take it to court if you want. You could take it to court and we could prove it over there. I know what I saw, and I saw you where white shirt is a dark gray.
Yeah, but you have to prove it to me.
I don't have to
Show
prove it.
to me.
I saw it.
Yeah, you can't just tell me that. Hey, I think that you were doing.
I
this,
didn't say I
therefore
think. I
were
saw
doing
you.
it.
I said I
'Cause
saw
it's a
you.
habit for me to always put my seatbelt on.
Sir, when you passed me, you didn't have it, and right now you're being this would have
What
been
am I
over
being?
already.
I'm being,
This would have been an over.
I'm being calm and collected.
I understand that,
You know?
and I am too. But
Just,
right now,
very
you're not
serious
you.
about my rights. You know?
Yeah, I am too about enforcing the law.
Yep. Like I said, I would have had him out. Guy's an idiot. I don't have that patience. I just don't have it.
Well, see that you're enforcing legal codes.
Sir,
Laws
this,
are different.
sir,
Oh, he just remembers something from the Softology handbook. Good.
it's an infraction to drive in Florida.
Yeah,
You
if
need
you're
a driver's
driver.
license.
But if you're traveling, that means you're not operating in any commercial
Sir, we're
capacity
not
at all.
going to do this.
See what? The law.
Go back and forth. I ask you for it. Do you have a driver's license?
I'm telling you, I lost it.
Okay, what
I'm
is
in
your
the
name?
process of getting
So what is your name so I could run it? I could figure out if you have a valid driver's license. If I know your name?
That is a totally logical question the officer asked the guy. Give me your name. I'll run it. Make sure you've got a license. I don't need to see your physical license. Just give me your name. Social security number, I can run your name. He's not doing it. He's not doing it. Unbelievable.
Good bill of sale. And this is the title.
Oh, he's found stuff.
Can I see that?
Sure.
Thank you. See, this is not difficult, sir.
Yeah, you'd think.
It's mine. I bought it. Uh-oh. Let me guess, another 5 officers are going to show up.
It depends. Can I see the VIN of the vehicle? It's covered right now.
Of course.
Well, I guess they
Of
have it
course it's covered.
It's on the title.
Yeah, but I want to make sure it's this one. It's covered right now.
Oh, I see. How to get that out of there?
What's that?
I don't know how to get that out.
Okay. So you are Jason Strauss? And what's the date of birth, Jason?
The date of birth?
Yes. Okay. And your license is from what state?
My license, it's a Florida license.
It's a Florida license? Okay, when I run it, I want to make sure that that's what I'm looking for. Okay.
I lost all my physical copies, all my hard copies.
You lost everything?
Everything.
And I get it. But I have a way to double check that. And that's why I was asking for your name.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you just purchased this vehicle.
Just purchased it.
Okay. Do you reside here in Port Charlotte? Or you just was passing by?
Just passing by.
Okay. So no, because I see the vehicle is from another county, so
Yes.
okay. I'll be right back.
Anybody, passenger vehicles have to wear a seatbelt.
Yeah, but that's for drivers. That's for commercial operators.
Are you not a driver?
No.
What are you?
I'm a traveler.
Oh,
Unbelievable. Stupidity of these
are you
people.
traveling on the roadways?
The roadways? Like the paved streets?
Yep.
Yeah, but not everyone on the paved streets is a driver.
You're the sole occupant of the vehicle?
It's not
What is
a
it?
vehicle.
What is it?
It's an automobile.
Okay.
I like it. I like it. These things are very entertaining. What do you think? Enjoy it?
All right, Jason. If that is your name, Jason Strauss, no middle name, and your date of birth, nothing's coming back with your as you having a driver's license.
What a big surprise. What a big surprise.
Have you ever had one
A license? Yeah.
in the state of Florida?
Yeah.
But I just checked
Under
it.
that name that you gave him?
That you see on the title, as you can see on the bill of sale.
Yes, and that's why I'm asking you if that's the correct spelling and everything,
Yes.
because nothing comes back of you having a driver's license.
Yeah, that's the name I go by.
Okay, so
What's your legal name?
What do you mean legal?
Well, you said that was the name you go by.
Well, when people say this is my name, it's claiming this is who I am, a name.
Okay.
Yeah. And I know that you guys are trained to, hate sovereign citizens and all that.
Nobody trained anybody to hate sovereign citizens. You're just a bunch of assholes. You do it all by yourself. You don't help. No one needs training in not liking you. They just dislike you. Because you put everybody in danger with your nonsense. Drive your vehicle with no license, insurance, tags. Get into an accident. You're normally a bunch of people that don't work. Can't pay for damages. Yeah. People have a reason to not like you. Because you're idiots.
I'm not someone who exercises my rights. So when I say I'm, Jason, that doesn't mean that Jason is who I am. If that makes sense. A name is not who I am.
Are you Jason Strauss? Because there's nothing coming back with that name.
What's the name on your driver's license?
Yeah, I'm in the process of surrendering my license.
I get
to
that.
The state. Surrendering.
I get it.
But I don't want it no more. You can have it.
Okay, but right now you are driving and you need a license. So I'm trying to help you out here.
I'm not driving. I'm not. I'm making that clear to you. I'm not driving.
Sir,
this is not a vehicle. I'm not operating this thing in any commercial capacity at all. I do own it. It is mine. I gave you the title and the bill of sale.
Do you have another form of ID, sir, so I can know who you are?
I lost everything. I lost it all. And I'm in the process of suing for damages, too.
Okay. I'm trying to help you out here.
Discovery motion and I have a lawsuit motion in place.
And that's okay. It has nothing to do with this stop.
I know.
You're driving, and that's fine. That's your business, not my business. My business is this. You were driving with no seatbelt. You were driving.
Officer Morales?
You were driving, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And your name and badge number?
Deputy Morales, 2461.
Okay. I'm not operating in any commercial capacity.
It doesn't matter. You're driving in the state of Florida.
Yeah, take it to the courts in Florida. See what the judge will tell you. Yeah, you'll probably get a surprise.
You're driving in the state of Florida on a public road.
This has just been purchased.
But you still need a driver's license.
And I'm passing through.
Okay.
How much more straight can I be? I'm just passing through. I'm not driving.
So the name you gave him was...
He's bestowing upon me that I am strictly driving, even though I'm telling him I am not.
The name on your Florida driver's license is the name you gave him.
Officer, when was the last internal investigation that has been done on you?
Haven't had one.
You never had one?
Now that could be seen as a threat, right?
Do you know if he's had one?
I do not know.
Who's back there, by the way? Anybody back there?
My pug.
That's it? Is there a person?
Are you escalating things?
No, I'm asking.
Further?
I want to know if someone's back there. I don't know if someone's back there.
Do you suspect...
I don't suspect, but I heard you talking to somebody.
Do you suspect them of committing a crime?
I'm just
asking.
My lady. All right. Jason, this is what's going to happen, okay? I'm giving you every opportunity to identify yourself, okay? I'm giving you an opportunity to provide me with your name, driver's license, and you are refusing to do that. If you're driving with no license,
I'm not driving. I'm not.
You are driving, sir.
I'm not. I'm traveling. That means that I'm not operating in any commercial capacity.
I don't want to take you to jail, but that's the way we're going to go if you are refusing to identify yourself.
I've cooperated with you. You're supposed to de-escalate.
Yeah, he's going to find out how you travel. In the back of that cruiser behind him there. He'll be traveling in the back of that cruiser. Officer will be driving. Why is he driving? Well, because he sits behind the steering wheel. And he's in control of the vehicle, so he's driving. Our dummy here, he'll be traveling. He'll be sitting in the back seat, cuffed. That's the difference between driving and traveling. Not that difficult.
I am de-escalating, and it's not coming back to anything.
I gave you the bill of sale. I gave you the title, which you wanted.
And I asked you for your name and trying to identify you. Say you have a driver's license, doesn't come back with any record.
You said that you're pulling me over for not wearing a seatbelt.
Correct.
And then you escalated to, well, I need to make sure this is yours.
No, I asked you for your driver's license.
You escalated that from me being pulled over for you suspecting me not wearing.
Sir,
if this is a stolen or if this
no,
is
if I'm going to write a ticket, if I'm going to write something, I need those paperwork with me. Okay, that's why I ask you for the paperwork. And if you were to produce, if you're producing a license, I write a ticket and let you go on your way. You're not allowing me to do that right now.
I don't have it.
You don't.
I do not
you
have
don't,
any
but,
copies.
But
I don't have it.
but there's a way to double check.
I don't have the license.
Okay,
Physical
so
copy.
so I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle.
Is that a lawful order?
Yes, it is.
I mean, well, for what reason?
Because right now you don't have a license. You were driving. You're refusing to.
I'm not driving. I'm not.
At this
Driving
moment,
means that you're a commercial operator.
we're not going to do this, sir.
That means you're
So can
operating
you step out of the
commercially.
vehicle? Because then you're gonna escalate this to obstruction charge. So right now, can you please stay out
We're
of
on
the vehicle?
private property.
No, you pulled in here
You told me to.
because because we were blocking the
I'm
driveway.
not going to be in the middle of the road.
Sir, can you step out of the vehicle? So I'm asking you, is the name you're giving me the right name, or am I missing something, or is misspelled, your date of birth or something that is not matching? That's what I'm asking you, and you are not telling me anything.
I feel threatened and I feel coerced.
No, sir.
Of course you do.
Nothing of that is happening. I ask you to come out. I'm asking you to identify yourself for the 20
Yes.
times. I'm being very patient with you.
When you say identify, like you want me to identify the...
Forget about the car right now. Right now it has to do about you having a driver's license and me knowing who I'm talking to. So I don't even know if that's your real name.
I'm not
And we're not
going
going to do this all night.
I'm not from Florida.
Okay, so I asked you what state was your license from, and you said from Florida.
Yeah, but I'm not from Florida.
So where is your license from?
What's
My
wrong with
driver's
this guy?
license?
Yes.
It's a Texas license.
So why didn't you say that from the beginning?
Well, because I'm in the process of getting a
Okay,
Florida's
but I
license.
asked you what? No, you say you're in the process of surrendering you. That's what you said.
This guy's a bad, very horrible liar. Very horrible liar. Cop caught him out. Good.
Texas license.
Okay, do you have a middle name, sir? So I could, when they run it out of Texas, it has to
No.
be exact. And is that the date of birth you gave me? Out of Texas.
Yes.
White 10 Central. Can you run that driver's license out of Texas, that name?
I'm not driving. There is a such thing as traveling.
Like in my
There's traveling, there's driving.
We're not going to argue this, sir. You
Traveling
call it
means-
whatever you want.
No. That's I have motions to prove this. Traveling means
It's
that you're
fine.
not operating in any commercial capacity.
Can you run the name again? Jason Brown.
Driving means
of
that you're a
Texas.
commercial operator. Traveling means that you're not operating commercially at all.
Take it to court. See what the judge says.
You have a middle initial? Last time I'm going to ask, sir. And if you have a middle initial, and is that your date of birth?
That is my date of birth, yes.
Do you have a middle initial?
Like on my driver's license?
Do you have a middle initial and your name?
I don't go by any middle initial.
Sandra, that's negative. All right, come step out of the car.
copy.
Why?
Step out of the car, sir. We're not going to play. This is over then. Okay?
Are you
Step out of-
arresting me?
Yes. You coming out.
You're arresting me?
300,
Sir,
335, copy.
let's
of
go.
the
Why?
dealer.
Let's go out of the car and before listen to me.
Why are you doing
Before
this?
I say this again, you about
Officer
this.
Morales.
You about this close to go to make this an obstruction charge as well.
Officer
So come outside and show me that you're cooperating. So come outside.
You're going to kidnap me if I get out.
No, sir, come outside. We're not going to play this game. Come on, come outside, Jason.
Okay, one moment. You're going to kidnap me if I get out. You can't do that.
I could do that, sir. I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you're going to lock yourself in there. So let's go. Come on.
You can't do that.
Sir, are we going to have to force you out of there? Because then you will get an obstruction charge for sure.
I wouldn't mind. I'd even like a window break. Maybe pepper spray. Maybe a taser. I'd like all of those.
10-4, I'll give the key holder a call.
Oh,
He's
man.
referring to you.
This is
He was
wrong.
already advised.
This is wrong.
White 10 Central, I have one in custody.
I have to have committed a crime.
See who's in the car.
Trunk open?
No, you do not have the right to open. That's an illegal search and seizure. I don't give you the right to
Ma'am.
do that. I love her.
She's gonna drop, please.
Okay. You just step out of the vehicle. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am? Okay. Do you have it?
Hey, I just wanted to see if somebody was
Okay.
inside.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, sir. Get up a second.
Are you Cuban?
get up a second, sir? It doesn't matter where I'm from.
Cubans are more honorable than this.
Officer is doing a lawful search. He did a lawful stop, now he's doing a lawful search. I see nothing wrong with the officer. I think he's very honorable and respectful. More than you.
You have anything on you?
I do not.
Because you're going to go to a scanner. Have a seat.
What if I... Now there's a third officer here?
Well, they know... Go ahead. Get in.
What have I done?
Get in, sir.
Oh my... And broad, that's my livelihood. That's my lover. I love her.
Okay. We'll let her know where you are. Go ahead. Get in.
And you're kidnapping me?
I'm not kidnapping you, sir. Sit this way.
What is the charge? What is the charge? What are you charging me with? What is the charge?
I already told you.
What's the charge? I do not know. I am not clear.
Operating a vehicle without a driver's license. That's one. That vehicle is not registered. It's coming back. I can't even.
I'm in the process.
Okay. Well, that tag.
I'm in the process.
That tag comes back to a rental. It doesn't come back to that vehicle.
Wow, what a surprise. I'm speechless.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I just gave you the bill of sale and the title to prove to you.
And that tag doesn't come back to that. And now we're going to verify what that tag is now that she's out of the car. And, we can check the VIN.
She is a witness. The ones that own that van had that on there.
Okay. What's your legs, please? See if she will give her name. Well, first let me take a picture of how it is.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do you have ID on you?
Smell. Yeah, I smell it. Yeah.
Do you have ID?
Appreciate the news, buddy.
No? Do you have a name you go by?
I don't know what's the question.
I don't get it. Why would you create problems for yourself? Why would you do that? She doesn't look like she's gonna win this argument. Why create more problems for yourself? Doesn't she have enough problems? I think if I were her, I wouldn't want more problems. But here we are. Here we are. Some people, they're so entitled. They just don't get it.
Whose car is this?
She doesn't answer questions.
Oh, she doesn't answer questions?
No.
5307. You said that's how you bought it.
Someone told you to close the door.
I did not take
You said that's how you bought it.
Excuse me?
I did not take orders.
She just locked it. Obstruction. Outstanding. Here you go.
You want to go to jail?
Please try to step towards me. She will bite you.
You don't want to dog to bite me.
I don't want her to bite you, but if you step towards
Give us the
me,
key. The car is going to get towed. Give us the key, and you still can walk free with your dog because it has nothing to do with you.
You want to get arrested for
Do you understand?
those
But now
are
you're doing
private
it's okay. All right?
Wait, man.
Give us the key so we can finish this investigation. Right now you're obstructing. You could go to jail for that.
Thank you.
What an idiot. What an idiot. She's so lucky they didn't arrest her for obstruction. She is so lucky.
Ma'am, do you have a phone number?
Why do you ask?
So the tow company can contact you about your vehicle.
I'm not understanding what you mean.
So the tow company's coming to pick the vehicle up and take it to their impound lot. I need a phone number so they can contact you.
I just need a moment.
So no phone number?
I have one, but I just need a moment to gather myself because you guys just put me on the streets like.
Do you have a current address?
No.
Okay.
And I have this baby to look after, and you just took the man who takes care of us. And we have. This is all my belongings in there is what I have.
Okay. So you don't have a phone number you want to provide?
God, y'all are such. Oh, sorry, I just put you homeless and hungry on the street. You have a number.
Yeah, it's his job. He's got to do it. That's what it is. You guys put yourselves in this position, not the officer. He's there to make sure the law is being followed, for which we're grateful.
Are you going to provide the phone number?
So, what all is going to be required to get this back?
You'll have to contact the tow company.
Okay, so will I be able to get my belongings out of here?
I don't know. Do you have a phone number?
Yeah.
What would that be?
Let me get it for you.
Me and that girl, we've had very hard upbringings, very hard.
And
very hard.
And you know, Jason, what it is when you have a hard life, you try to do things that it's not going to make it harder. Do you agree with that?
Yeah. I mean,
Okay, so
that is relative.
okay, so
It's relative, you know.
so you should focus some energy into in doing what you need to do to make sure that you don't end up in a situation.
Yeah, but Officer Morales, I have run into guys in uniform, and you know what they do? They, like you say, any cooperation will be used against you. Against you. That poor baby, I don't know what's going to happen to her. Where is she going to go? How am I even going to know how she's doing?
I gave her a card so she could call and get the jail information and find out what your situation is, when you're going to get out, if you need a bond, and all that. So she has that information.
All right, so let's stop the video here. Our NEWBIE officer is going to jail, and the girlfriend is on the street. Not the ideal situation, but not the fault of the officer. Not his fault. He is just conducting a traffic stop, and this is the outcome of it. He can't help for it. Their situation, unfortunate, sorry for him, but that's life. You don't go around being a soft-set if you can't afford it. I would think. I mean, I could be wrong there, but if I were in this situation, I'd make sure I got all my things in order, so that I don't get pulled over and don't get to lose my car, which apparently is their home. I want to make sure I keep this thing. I'll get my driver's license. I'll make sure I've got my insurance, I've got my license. That's what I would do. And then not get into this situation. Unfortunate once again, but they're the author of their own misery, I believe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments if you like this video. Great stuff. I'll see you in the next one.